Hi YouTube, this is your girl Crystal Christelle again. It's Christelle, not Crystal, not Crystal, Christelle. Get it right. No, I'm just kidding. I just want to play around, so enjoy, I guess. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary, and E is even more than anyone that you adore, and love is written on your face. It's the way I lean my body towards you, even when I'm 100 miles away. This is love, like a diamond in the sand. It took so long to find you, I can't wait another day to say, oh, this is love. So yeah.